And look what the problems we also have here. Membrane. No membrane in this model of boots. This is boots for nature and no membrane. Every stone, every water drops can put in your boot on your feet. This is very cool things. Also here I show it a hole because bad cloth, and yeah, and here oh look, small rocks, and this is very cool. Also protector may be good but squeezy, but I'm walking a lot on asphalt. Yeah, 4 months every day, twice a day. Yep. 4 feet. This is a very cool things. So I don't recommend to buy these boots. They are comfortable, but for nature they are very bad. Oh, and this is my Timberland boots. Maybe this is not winter boots, but boots. This boots is made for nature. You can go and walk on a nature with these boots and everything will be okay. But this is only words. This is the worst boots I have ever wear. Why? Because in German, when it's winter, every asphalt road is in small granite stones, and these boots has a big mistake. They have no membrane. They have no membrane, and every stone can go on my boot like this. Oops! And here, every water can drop into my boot, and my legs and my socks will be waterly. You know what it is from water. For nature, this boots is very sucks, but they very comfortable. They very comfortable and sucks. And I wear these boots. And I feel in my legs every stone, and in my feet I feel every stone from the road. Like summer, like in summer when some small stone get in my sandal or on my summer shoe. Maybe do not buy these boots because they beautiful, they comfortable, but if you like going for a walk in nature, this is very bad boots. They have no membrane. Every rock can go to your boots like this, like that, and they are very small for higher, and like that. Also the problem with this part, they very squeezy, slicky. Yeah, boots very comfortable, but have many problems. Sorry. I wear these boots twice a day, about 4 months, when I'm going for a walk with my dog. Oh my god, one more stone. No, God, please, no. You see a small stones on this asphalt, but in these boots I'm going on these little stones in my boots, because many of these stones are in my boots right now. Shitty boots. And these boots are waterproof. They made from leather and they are waterproof and comfortable.